Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the highway network for Western Jamaica. Now it was recently announced that the government is going to be building two highways in St. Elizabeth. Now originally the highway was to go from Mandeville to the south of Spurtree Hill up the coast to Junction and then come down through Southfield into Black River. They are still going to build that highway. Now, in addition to that highway network, the government is going to build a second highway. It will also go from Mandeville, travel close to or the alignment will be very close to the existing road, but it will be further west and then, or further north, I should say. And then it's going to go from Mandeville through Santa Cruz or bypass Santa Cruz. It will have an exit for Santa Cruz and go down to Middle Quarters. And then from Middle Quarters, it will go into Black River. So when the highway reaches Middle Quarters, it's going to have another section that goes from Middle Quarters over to Montego Bay. Now, originally, before this new alignment was announced, the highway that went through Southfield and Junction into Black River was to have a segment that goes towards Montego Bay. But they're not going to build the Black River to Montego Bay segment. Instead, they announced it's going to go from Middle Quarters in St. Elizabeth over to Montego Bay, and it will get to Montego Bay by connecting to the Long Hill bypass, which is under construction now. So this is the new alignment for the highways in St. Elizabeth. Now I'm not sure why they changed it, but this is actually a much better alignment for the highways. I'm not sure why St. Elizabeth needs two highways, but we'll talk about that in another video. Now, after the passage of Hurricane Melissa, one thing the government realized is that the road network in Western Jamaica was not adequate. The roads were blocked, and for some reason, the NAA cleared only one lane right after the highway, right after the hurricane. And that created a traffic nightmare, and you needed to get aid into the western parishes, and you also needed to get people out. So it was a complete nightmare. Even if both lanes were cleared the day after the hurricane, the amount of traffic that was going into and out of western Jamaica, the existing road network could not manage. So it became clear that western Jamaica needs a proper highway network. And I'm just assuming that that is the main reason why they have decided to build these two highways. And if you've been following the channel, we made quite a few videos saying the original alignment of the highway from Mandeville through Junction, Southfield, through Treasure Beach into Black River did not include Santa Cruz. So it's very good to know that the second highway that they announced will include Santa Cruz, because Santa Cruz is a major town in Jamaica. Many say Santa Cruz should be the capital of St. Elizabeth, but we'll talk about that in another video. So it's very good news to know that the government has decided to do a second highway that includes an exit for Santa Cruz. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.